I'm going to do a quick review on this. I'm going to cut some grass. I've got some very long grass outside a caravan that I've got, and we're going to test it out. Yep, there's our collapsible box, which I mentioned. Great for storage. Some of these are just solid plastic. This is great. You have a couple of bits in there, we'll have a look at that in a minute. Right, we get that like this, I think. Nice and light. It's only a little, but 56 quid. Can't really complain, I don't think. I mean, even if it lasted a year. Not really much to it. Couldn't be easier, really. So what I'll probably do is I'm going to put these bits together now on the handle, and I wanted to get one with wheels. I find them easier. Some of these fly mowers, these hover mowers and that, sometimes they're a bit difficult to move, whereas this, nice and easy. And if you've got long grass, you can always tilt it up and cut it like this, and then lower it and get the grass down. So yeah, seems pretty solid as well. It seems like a good solid construction. And right, okay, let's get these handles on. Yeah, look, this handle, it's great. Very, like, it's got a soft sponge. A lot of the other ones that are more expensive haven't got that. It really makes a difference. You can really feel it's more comfortable. So okay, let's get this together now. Doesn't look like there's much to it, really. Probably going to speed this up now. Let's see how long it takes to get it together out of the box. Let's have a quick look. I always forget that, I think. What will we do? It'll be this way, won't it, I reckon? So that'll be there. It's got to be. Yeah, it's the handle for that, isn't it? Of course it is. There you go. So that just clips in. Couldn't be easier. Is that in? I believe it is. Yep, that's it. I like this. There's a little handle on there as well. Just, I don't know. It just makes things a bit easier. Having that collapsible is great for storage, and that drops completely flat. Look, couldn't be any flatter, could it? Really? It's perfect. Some of these are solid, as I say. Yeah, that will wear after a while, but it looks pretty tough, like Hessian material. It doesn't look flimsy. I think that will last quite some time, so that wouldn't concern me. So we've got that. This handle is really comfortable. Really comfortable. This like sponge makes a difference. Really does. And I say the actual construction seems quite solid. On the actual, this is hard plastic. It's a 33cm, as you can see, 33cm blade. It's the, I don't know if you saw it before, Mac Allister MLMP1200. 1200 watts as opposed to some of these that are 1000 watts. That's why I went for it, plus the price, plus the fact that it was comfortable, plus the fact that it had a nice flat box. Can't go wrong. Guys, just a quickie, this is what happens when you don't read the instructions. You think you can do it on your own. These levers go on the inside rather than the outside. Does it really matter? Well, only that there could be a hindrance on the outside. Other than that, they tell you to put them on the inside. Also, you've got this little cable, neat little hook thing, little plastic thing here. Yeah, you just put it on before you connect it, put the nuts in, easy as that. Spin it over, tighten it up, that drops down there, tighten it up a bit more, that drops down there, and that cable goes in there. As far as I'm aware, not that particularly great, but it doesn't really matter. There's another little cable tidy clip here as well. You just clip on, it comes in the bag. There's another one here as well. Do you really use them that much? Probably not. I mean, you know, it does keep them out of the way though, so in that sense, yeah, there you go. So I'll just spin that other one over now. While I'm here, I'll just show the easer how easy it is to put this on. Drops in there, over the top, done. Simple as that. That's it. Great for the money. Fantastic. So let's go. Just drop this over, and then we'll go and cut some grass. Oh guys, something else I forgot to mention. Take a look at this, guys and girls as well, because there might be some ladies buying the lawnmower. Look at this. How easy is this? Look at the height of that. Look how high that is. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different height settings on this. Look how easy it is to do it as well. Look, just pull that lever and it drops. Look to all the different settings. Look, nice and low. Right, pull it out, pull the lever out, it just drops up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, yeah. 5 settings. Couldn't be easier to adjust the height. Really good difference in height settings. You got it really high for long grass, which I'm going to be using in a minute incidentally, even though I'm probably going to have to tip it back because it's so long, as you'll see. But it's fantastic. Look at that. Couldn't be easier. Brilliant. I've just realised something about this, which is quite incredible as well, because the work that would be involved to make this, what you find with a lot of these, well, most of them, if not all of them, lawnmowers, that when you change the height setting, it's only the back wheels that get adjusted. So you get this sort of action, okay, from the back. But on this, you've got this metal lever that runs, or metal rod that runs right the way along and connects to the front wheels. So when you change the height setting, the front wheels and the back wheels are both adjusted, so the whole thing goes up and down, as you can see. I mean, it's just ridiculous for the money, I think. So anyway, we're going to see how it fares on the grass, as I've said. We're going to get to that now. Okay, just to let you know, this video is actually a year old. I just haven't got around to editing and uploading it yet. I've still got this mower a year on, and it works just as well as it did from when I first got it. So it's really a great buy and well worth the price, which at the moment is only 58 quid in B&Q in the UK. It's very easy and comfortable to use with a soft grip handle, and the collapsible grass box is still unworn after a year. In my opinion, this is without doubt the best valued low price lawnmower by a long way, which even outstrips some higher priced models on performance and ease of use, and I've used quite a lot over the years, I can tell you.
So if you're thinking of getting a new lawnmower and you don't have a lot of cash, this is probably the one for you. I hope this video helps, and if it does, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you soon.